I only have 60 seconds to show you this 3-bedroom home with an additional dwelling unit on the property which could help pay the mortgage. Let's go explore. As you walk into the home, the first thing you'll know is there's a fireplace, front living room, which leads you into the kitchen. As you walk in the kitchen, you'll notice the kitchen's actually pretty solid and the craftsmanship is excellent. And the surprise in the house is as you walk into the master bathroom, turn left and you notice you actually have a hot tub room in the house. Now when we move over to the additional dwelling unit, you walk in, you got a nice sized living room. And all of these things are ready for you to upgrade to your standards. I'm JR, your real estate friend, and I'm never too busy for your referrals here in Redding, where the world wants to live.